Royal Doulton Sonnet pattern. This is a small teapot. They made two versions of this. An early shape. This is Concord Shape. If I just show you the top elevation, you'll see it's an oblong sort of rectangular shape. Small design teapot, designed to hold just 1 pint. So couple of cups only in this one. It's in near mint condition. It has been used, but I can't find any faults on any of the glaze or the actual teapot itself. It's absolutely fine. Inner wall nice and clean. Inner rim absolutely clean. Does need a bit of a wash. There is some tannin staining down the spout and just behind the tea leaf sieve, as you'd expect when it's being used. First quality Royal Doulton early marks from Sonnet. It was produced between 71 and 98. I think this is the Concord Shape from 71 through to sort of mid 1980s when they moved over to the Palladio, a more rounded design. Nice blockwork front and rear, as you can see. Nice big handle and absolutely fine condition. Little almost Grecian style button lid handle on the top of the teapot lid. So a nice Royal Doulton Sonnet teapot, difficult to find in this condition and in both pieces together. Had a look on the internet and I couldn't actually find another one for sale recently. The large teapot's even harder to find. We have got a coffee pot coming on sale as well, which is bigger than this and would double up as a teapot. I'm sure it's going to have sieve in it for tea leaves, just as the modern coffee pots tended to, so they could be dual purposed. Follow the link below to our website where this teapot's going on sale this afternoon, and have a browse through on the search term Sonnet for all the other pieces we're currently listing on catalogue. Thanks very much for watching.